next on Eyewitness News at 6.
Live from the CW7 studio, this is Eyewitness News at 6.
Good evening and thanks for joining us, everyone. I'm Noah Alata. We're following some breaking news tonight out of Evansville's Midtown. Dispatch tells us that Evansville police and firefighters were on the scene of this working structure fire just within the last 10 to 15 minutes. This happening near Elliott and Stringtown. We're told the call came in just before 5:30 tonight. This is a live look at the scene there right now. Now, fire crews, of course, have just now left that home. We have a crew there on the scene working to get more information. We'll continue to bring you an update as soon as more becomes available. Tonight, Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear and his family are in quarantine after a member of the family's security detail tested positive for COVID-19. Beshear says that person was the last person that they were in contact with, so nobody else was exposed.
None of us have tested positive. We feel great. Will and I both got on the treadmill at different times this morning and this afternoon. But we want to make sure we're setting the example and that we're also keeping other people around us safe, that we're walking the walk, not just talking the talk.
And Beshear says that he will continue his COVID-19 updates from an empty room inside of the governor's mansion and reminded the Commonwealth that we'll all get through this together. The Green River District Health Department continues to offer free coronavirus testing. You can get tested at the Henderson County Health Center on October 14th from 8 to 11 in the morning. You can also get tested at the Davis County Health Center October 14th from 9 to 11:30 in the morning. You must register for a test first. Now to the latest on the Evansville City budget. Discussion will continue at tomorrow's council meeting. Now, multiple amendments have been filed, and one of them affecting the amount of money allocated to the Affordable Housing Trust Fund. Councilmen Justin Elpers and Jonathan Weaver co-sponsored an amendment that would cut that allotment in half. Different organizations in the city, including Congregations Acting for Justice and Empowerment, or CAGE, have expressed their disapproval in that amendment. Elpers says the loss of funds from the casino has resulted in a budget loss for multiple departments across the budget. He says he's trying to make things fair.
I'm going to be consistent in saying that the Affordable Housing Trust Fund is also receiving casino funds, and I want to be consistent, and they should receive less, just as all these other city departments are receiving less.
I believe that the funding will help the low to moderate income individuals, the forgotten people, help them to realize having a home that they can raise their children in.
And on Friday, Council President Alex Burton withdrew his proposal regarding the Affordable Housing Trust Fund. Burton was met with backlash from the community, with people claiming that it was all in an attempt to defund the police. The budget, though, needs to be finalized by November 1st. As the pandemic continues, 30 states plus Washington, D.C. reporting daily increases in cases as deaths are rising in a dozen states plus Puerto Rico. ABC